another vlog here. Today we're kind of doing nothing. Today's my day off. I did have a photo shoot this morning at 10 in the morning. Went pretty well. It was a pretty fun shoot. I'm so hesitant to buy a GoPro. I'm not sure if I told you guys, but I did return my GoPro 8 a long time ago. I was just trying to test it out. But right now this Canon EOS R is getting a little heavy. And I'm thinking about getting the GoPro 7. So let me know what you guys think down below. Should I get the GoPro 7 or just vlog on the EOS R? I mean, with the EOS R you get that, you know, shallow depth of field depending on what lens I have. So, and with the GoPro, you know, it's going to be really wide angle and probably look okay during the nighttime. Yeah guys, and I have another thing, so you guys want to see my dog? Alright guys, so this is Raven. She is 8 months old. She's still a pup. As you can see, she's like kind of very lazy, sometimes like me. But yeah, got her about 2-3 weeks ago. She's getting used to it. Kind of a pain in the ass sometimes, but I love her. Right, Raven? No? No? Okay, I won't touch you. Alright guys, so I went out and got the GoPro, and here it is. I got the accessory kit too because, hey, I'm gonna need it, especially if when I'm going hiking or going doing street photography. It's gonna help a lot. Excited.